In some of the medical malpractice cases we review, some of the initial questions that were asked are regarding amounts of recovery if we can actually prove that there is liability. And so, Chris, when we're asked about that, I know there are nuances based on whether or not the entity is private or public, like the Tort Claims Act. What are the differences in damage types for that?
Well, for a private doctor, there are caps on the non-economic damages you can recover, and that would include your pain and suffering, your loss of your loved one, loss of society, affection of your loved one. Those are non-economic damages. In medical malpractice case against a private doctor or hospital, that cap is $500,000. Now, there is no cap on the economic damages. Of course, you have to prove those damages, but those are damages such as lost wages for a loved one over their work life expectancy, household services, and that's in a wrongful death case. Those are the services that a spouse provides to the household, such as mowing the grass or going to the grocery, normal stuff, but economists can actually put a dollar figure for that loss, and so that's considered economic damage. Now, for a governmental entity, for like a state-run hospital, there is a hard cap. The most you can ever recover against the state of Mississippi for a wrongful death in a medical malpractice case would be $500,000.
And that covers your lost wages, pain and suffering, everything is
That's
capped
correct.
at $500,000.
Capped at $500,000.
Which is crazy,
Yeah.
especially if you lose a life.